It's currently 5:30 AM and this is the start of the Isle of Man vlog. I've done Isle of Man vlogs before, but I've never published them. This one I'm publishing. The first step is to get this one ready.
Socks, underwear, bras, swimming costume,
5 hours later.
And sunglasses in the car, bubbles and climb. I'm not bringing the straight.
Honey wants the camera. Look how excited she's getting. Welcome back to my vlog, guys. Today I'm lying in bed all day. I'm gonna eat some bones. What have you forgotten?
Passport.
Good job, you don't need it. It's the one. No, it's not. That's the one. 11:40. So we're at the airport now. We've got 40 minutes until our gate information is released, and then our flight is 40 minutes after that. But we've got ourselves some hot chocolates and a book. You didn't pay before.
Yeah, no.
Have you?
Yeah.
This is always one of our favourite things to do on the Isle of Man. It's cold, I won't lie. It's very cold.
It's nice.
For shoe. Shiny new blue. No, you don't. Today is now Tuesday. What are we doing today?
Crying because Cam wants me to do sports.
You've got a choice here. It can either be a bike ride or a run.
I would prefer a bike ride.
Then it will be a bike ride. You can get the electric bike. But first...
Coffee. Hi vlog. Today we're making coffee. You have to boil water on the stove in a mug. Yeah, man, we also have kettle. More beans needed. Get your coffee. Spoon it in, and you get your top. Update. Coffee's nearly done. Hear that? That means it's done. What's up, everybody?
You're looking at the screen.
I was not. I did not look at one.
What's up, everybody?
Welcome to the vlog.
What have you got? This afternoon's activity is one of the things that I used to really enjoy doing as a kid, but Lily is not looking forward to it. It's going to the driving range to play a bit of golf. So I can play a bit of golf. What I really mean is hit a few balls around.
So Cam has asked me to take over the vlog because he is driving. Where are we on our way to? We're on our way to Erie Cushling. Cushling. So Cam is going to be selling Phoebe the van in a few weeks. So we thought before she goes, we'll try her out one more time and we'll go camping. So Cam is driving us to Erie Cushion on the Isle of Man. Cushlin, Erie Cushlin on the Isle of Man. And we're going to spend the night just having a chill, hopefully overlooking the sea and saying goodbye to the van that Cam has worked so hard on.
So this was my first ever car camping experience. I was in a little red Peugeot 107. All I had with me was a duvet, a pillow, and that was it. And I folded the back 2 seats down and just lay across the hard metal of the back 2 seats in the boot. Awful night's sleep. Really, really awful. So as I said earlier, this was my first car camping spot, and there's a reason for that. We chose this spot because, in my opinion, it has one of the best views on the island. So this is our setup. Us 2 pillows, cushions, blankets, books, and a pretty good view if I do say so myself. Today is our last full day in the Isle of Man. Today's going to be a very Manx day. What I mean by that is we're going to be doing things that you can typically only do on the Isle of Man. So once a year, the Isle of Man have a little event called Timble Day, which is essentially, as far as I'm aware, a celebration of the Manx government. My favourite things to do, and we've been putting it off because we haven't had good weather, but weather's alright now, so we're going to go for the swim. Whoever said chest sits better, I've never had to put one on in my life. So we've got a little treat booked for ourselves. Firstly, that swim was incredible. Glad we wore the wetsuits. We were in there for like 50 minutes, I'd say. About 10 metres to our right is a little sauna. So yeah, we've booked a sauna for half an hour, which will be fun. I've never done it before, it's quite new. It's always good when new stuff comes to the island. Been in for about 20 minutes now, and it's getting hot. I think this is massively underrated. There's not many saunas with a view like that in the world. Something recommended to us by the owner was to alternate between the sauna and the sea. So we did just that and spent 15 minutes in the sauna, followed by a quick dip in the sea. After what has been, I'd say, my perfect day, I think the perfect way to end it is with pizza by the beach, a good book, and then come back, have some wine and watch a movie. So we're heading down to the best pizza shop in the world, known as
La Gusto.
So I'll see you there. this for a setup, eh?
Yeah.
When I say this is like the best pizza, I know everyone says that about their local pizza place, but
No, this is more than a local pizza place. If you're ever on the Isle of Man, anywhere on the Isle of Man, north, south, east, west, in the sea, you have to come